Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use Lightroom presets on mobile. First, download your desired presets, which usually come as DNG files. Open the Lightroom Mobile app and create a new album specifically for these presets. Import the DNG files into this album. Once imported, open each DNG file, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner, and select Create Preset. Give it a clear name, and save it to a new preset group for easy access. Now that your presets are imported, let's apply them. Open any photo you want to edit in the Lightroom Mobile app. Scroll through the editing toolbar at the bottom until you find the presets option. Tap on it, and you'll see your saved preset groups. Browse through them and simply tap on a preset to instantly transform your image. You can experiment with several presets to find the perfect look for your photograph. Sometimes a preset needs a little tweak. After applying a preset, you can further customize your photo using all the standard editing tools. Adjust the exposure, contrast, colors, and other settings to perfectly match your vision. If you love your new adjustments, you can save this customized look as a brand new preset. Just tap the three dots icon, select Create Preset, give it a unique name, and save it to a new or existing group. Keeping your preset library organized is key for an efficient workflow. You can create custom groups to categorize your presets, perhaps by style or subject matter. To manage them, tap the three dots icon next to any preset group and choose Manage Presets. Here, you can rename, move, or delete presets you no longer use. A well-organized library with about 20 to 30 go-to presets will significantly speed up your mobile editing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.